Today I'm going to show you a few simple tricks that is going to help you massively increase your video views on YouTube. Check it out. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I post a new video. There's a lot more that goes into posting a video than just uploading it. Now, the first step to getting more views is to create epic content. So this is content that people are going to actually want to watch, but it's also content that you got to be excited about. Now, this can be offering a different viewpoint. It can be, presenting it in a better format than the other videos that, come up for that certain topic. But at the end of the day, what you really want is just content that's just going to educate and entertain. Simple. Your video title. Now, you just don't want to create a bland video title. You want to create something that is going to stop people and get their attention. So to create the proper video title, it's a combination of an attention-grabbing headline and a keyword or keyword search term. So let's take, for example, you're going to create a video about creating video tutorials, okay? And so we want to first look at what is the language that the viewers are using. So you can do this by doing like a simple Google search, and it'll start autofilling, like giving you ideas of what the search terms are that people are currently using. The next thing, you can also go on forums where people are asking questions related to that topic and kind of just get a good idea for how they explain it. So now what we want to do is take our headline and insert our keyword. Now, to get your headline, there's a lot of different headline templates that you can search around for, even some apps that will generate headlines for you. But again, it's got to be something that grabs their attention. So for example, for this one, we'll use creating video tutorials for your business. What's important here is that the headline also tells a little bit about what the video is going to do, like how it's going to help them solve that problem. The other thing is you want to have keyword-rich descriptions. So it really should just follow up with your headline and telling the viewer exactly what this video is about, how they're going to benefit from it. And you can also add in a transcript of the video. You can also add in affiliate links or links to lead magnets or opt-ins to get people to subscribe to your mailing list and give the viewer a better idea of what the video is about. Now, simply put, tagging is really just taking your keywords and inserting them as tags or hashtags. This is another way that will make it easier for your video to be found in the search results. So you want to put in everything you can possibly think of relating to your video. Sometimes you can use like a transcript service that will actually pull that information out. So, you'll find certain words you use over and over again. You can use those as keywords. You can also utilize some free tools for, say, you insert your topic, and it will provide you with a list of the popular tags for that particular topic. The thumbnail is important, and you want it to correlate with the headline and the description. So it should be very clear. You want big type. You want it to be very clean and should really reflect what the video is all about. Now, transcripts are very helpful because, believe it or not, a lot of people do not watch YouTube with the sound on. Most often they're in the bathroom or something, and this is a way they can watch it without bothering somebody else or who knows. This is also great because you can use video transcripts for repurposing your videos, and they're just a great way to get a lot more traction and engagement. Well, that's all I have for now. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also hit the share button if you know somebody else that might benefit from watching it. My name is Andrew Cooper at A Cooper Video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.